Bench testing the 1961, 62, 63 Cadillac Headlight switch, non-fog light option, serial number 05222023. Offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. Test number 4, dome courtesy light operation. Test number 5, circuit breaker operation. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a fully charged battery at 12.73 volts. For the run-up test, we're going to be boosting the battery. And we boosted it up to about 13.19 volts. Also going to be monitoring the rheostat temperature. We have our fixed reading, 86. It's about ambient temperature right now. And we have our portable. Calibrate that. About 85. It's within the margin of error. Test number 1. Tail and parking light operation. First position. We have an indication of front parking tail lights. I'm going to rotate the rheostat to mid-range. Monitor the rheostat temperature. Test number 2. Tail and headlight operation. First position. Hit front parking. Tail lights. Second position. Front parking lights are off. Headlights are on. Dash lights remain set to mid-range. And off. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. First position, I'm going to rotate the rheostat to the off position. Bring it to mid-range. And to full bright. See a little increase in the temperature of the rheostat. Back to mid-range. Second position. Dash lights are off. Mid-range. Full bright. And about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Back to first position. From parking, tail lights. Move the rheostat back to mid-range. Let that hold for a second. We're around 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's check that with the handheld. Now it's reading 93 degrees. Close, it's within margin of error. Back to first position and off. Test number 4, dome courtesy light operation. First position. Rotating the rheostat. Grounding the tab on the switch body. We have indication of dome courtesy light. And off. Second position. Rotating the rheostat. Grounding the tab. We have indication of courtesy dome light. Back to first position. Feature is also available when the headlights and the tail lights are off. Just by grounding the tab on the switch body, we can turn on our courtesy lights. Back to first position, courtesy lights off. Second position, headlights, courtesy lights on, courtesy lights off. First position, back, courtesy lights on. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Alco-Remy headlight switches had an onboard built-in circuit breaker. In the event that the wiring was a short or short anywhere in the vehicle, actually, bimetallic spring would expand and break the circuit. So let's check it in first position. Simulate a short in the vehicle, heating the bimetallic spring, breaking the circuit. Now we're disconnected from the battery. Try second position. Simulate short in the vehicle. Bimetallic spring expands, breaks the circuit, protects the wiring in the vehicle and the switch. Back to first position and off. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12-volt test light, see we have continuity back to the battery at the chassis body. I'm going to probe the terminals of the switch body, see if there's any continuity to ground. We see we're insulated, the battery terminal, headlight, tail, and parking. We only have continuity back to the battery at the switch body. This demonstrates that the switch terminals are insulated from ground.